Hello everyone, I am Disha SS from first year MSc Biochemistry. In this presentation, I will be explaining about blood group polysaccharides. This is a brief introduction about ABO blood group system. ABO blood group system was first discovered by Karl Landsteiner in 1900. So the blood group system comprises of four types of blood groups, that is A, B, AB and O blood group. So the type of blood group of a person is determined by the type of antigen that is attached to the membrane of red blood cells. So these antigens are actually the oligosaccharides that is attached to the membrane of RBC. So what comes to our mind is proteins are the antigens. So we come across majority of the proteins act as an antigen, but in case of ABO blood group system, it is the oligosaccharide, that is carbohydrate, that acts as an antigen which will be attached to the membrane of red blood cells. So the type of oligosaccharide that is attached determines the type of blood group of a person. In this picture, you can observe that this is the plasma membrane of the red blood cell, and the light yellow color projection out of the plasma membrane is the glycolipid or glycoproteins which will be present on plasma membrane. So to these glycolipids and glycoproteins, the oligosaccharide, different oligosaccharides gets attached, and this constitute the type of blood group of a person. RBC precursor structure. So this is the backbone which will be same in all type of blood groups, that is oligosaccharide sequence goes like this. So first comes glucose, then galactose, then comes N-acetyl glucosamine, and then again galactose. So this sequence of oligosaccharide is same in all type of blood group. Next is formation of H antigen. So the presence of H antigen constitute the O blood group. So usually we say that O blood group lack the antigen, but in actual reality they have H antigen on their surface of RBC. So to this backbone you can observe fucose is attached. So this addition of fucose is catalyzed by the enzyme fucosyl transferase. So this enzyme is produced by H gene which is present on chromosome 19. So a person with O blood group has H antigen attached to the surface of RBC. So this H antigen is the precursor for A, B and AB blood groups, other blood groups. So H antigen should be present. So from these H antigen, other blood groups, that is A, B and AB blood groups arise. Next is formation of A antigen. The presence of A antigen constitute the type of blood group A. As said earlier, H antigen is the precursor for A, B and AB blood group. So only if H antigen is present, to this H antigen other sugar molecules gets attached, and the type of sugar attached determine the type of blood group. So in case of A blood group, in addition to fucose, N-acetyl galactosamine is attached. You can observe in the diagram, N-acetyl galactosamine is attached to the H antigen. So the addition is catalyzed by the enzyme N-acetyl galactosamine transferase. This enzyme is produced by the gene A. Hence the person with A blood group has A antigen attached to the membrane of red blood cell. Next is formation of B antigen. This B antigen will be present on the surface of RBC of a person having B blood group. The H antigen is common, so without the H antigen the other blood groups cannot arise, that is H antigen is the precursor for all the blood groups. So gene B will be present in case of the B blood group, and this gene B codes for the enzyme galactosyl transferase. So this enzyme catalyzes the addition of galactose. So the main difference between A blood group and B blood group is the different sugar that is attached to the H antigen. In case of A blood group, N-acetyl galactosamine is attached to the H antigen. In case of B blood group, galactose is attached to the H antigen. So person having B blood group has B antigen on the surface of RBC. Next is formation of AB blood group. So in case of AB blood group, both the genes, gene A and gene B will be present. So these genes produces their respective enzymes. So that is N-acetyl galactosamine transferase and galactosyl transferase. So this enzyme catalyzes the addition of galactose and N-acetyl galactosamine. So both A antigen and B antigen will be present in case of AB blood group. Hence, the AB blood group has both the antigens that is attached to the membrane of RBC. So these are the major 4 types of blood groups, that is O, A, B and AB. But in some cases, rare blood groups are also found. One among them is Bombay blood group. So Bombay blood group was first reported in Mumbai. So you can observe in case of Bombay blood group, there is no addition of fucose, that is H antigen is lacking. So this is the blood group which truly lack the antigen. In case of O blood group, you find H antigen. In case of A antigen, and in case of B antigen. But in case of Bombay blood group, you do not find any antigen because the person with Bombay blood group lack H gene. So the lack of this gene cannot produce the fucosyl transferase. So fucose cannot be attached. So if H antigen is not present, the other blood groups, that is A, B and AB, cannot be formed. So as mentioned earlier, H antigen is the precursor for A, B and AB blood group. So this is the blood group which truly lacks the antigen. But there is no ill effect with being Bombay blood group, but complications or difficulties may arise during blood transfusion. That is, this is the rare blood group. So hence, if in case of emergency, the person requires a donor having Bombay blood group itself. So this is about blood group polysaccharides. Next is overview of the antigens and antibodies present in their plasma and RBC. In case of A blood group, you find A antigen on the surface of RBC and anti-B antibody in their plasma. And in case of B blood group, you find B antigen on the surface of RBC and anti-A antibody in the plasma. In case of AB blood group, you have both the antigens A and B, and you do not find any antibodies in the plasma. So AB blood group is the universal recipient. In case of O blood group, you do not find A antigen or B antigen, but you have H antigen on the surface of RBC. So they have written none because they do not have any antigen, that is A or B, but it has H antigen. And you find both the antibodies, anti-A and anti-B, in their plasma, and hence group O is the universal donor. So this is about blood group polysaccharides. So these are the references from where I have prepared my PPT. Thank you.